Hello, I'm Mark Stevenson, Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer of Thermo Fisher Scientific. I'm pleased to be with you here today to share the exciting announcement of the emergency use authorization from the FDA for our Amplitude Solution. Before I get into the details, I'd first like to thank you all for the role that you've played in running samples and responding to patients' needs during this pandemic in the last year. Really, it's been tremendous, the response of the scientific community to come together, to mobilize incredibly quickly. At Thermo Fisher, we're proud of our role that we've played over the last year in scaling our resources to bring you the supplies that you needed, and also to innovate to bring you new solutions like our innovation here with the Amplitude Solution. With the emergency use authorization now from the FDA, we're now bringing this product through 2 different clinical laboratories to enable them to run a range of different samples a day, be that 1,000 or up to 8,000 samples a day. Be able to do that with the minimal resources in the lab, just 4 technicians needed, and also to guarantee to you the supplies necessary from one supplier so that we're there with you, and we also commit to support 24/7, 365 days a year. We see the Amplitude Solution is critically important in the next phase of the ongoing fight against COVID-19. We now know that a tremendous amount of spread is asymptomatic cases, and part of finding those is ensuring that we can test and screen in surveillance for the virus. It's also important as we think about upcoming waves, or as we think about into the summer and into the fall season, being prepared for other upper respiratory diseases, being prepared for mutations that are coming along. All of that causes us to be committed going forward to continue to scale up our innovations and commitment around responding to this pandemic. In closing, I'd like to thank you again for everything you're doing, and know that you have Thermo Fisher behind you, committed in your work to be a great partner to your work going forward in productivity and supply and in innovation. Thank you, everyone.